Is one step closer tonight to ending the health insurance of hundreds of thousands of Arizonans. This afternoon, a Senate committee gave initial approval to a measure designed to drop nearly 300,000 people from the state's Medicaid rolls. ABC 15's Tim Betcher is live at the state capitol tonight. And Tim, this one still has a long way to go before any real cuts are made.
Yeah, Steve, this bill simply authorizes the state to go after a waiver from the federal government. Would the feds grant that waiver? Some say it's unlikely, but the governor wants to try nonetheless.
April Bills supports a husband and 4 children on her salary alone. She qualifies for Medicaid, but if the governor has her way, April may not have her health insurance for much longer.
My employer premium is so high, it's more than my rent, so I can't afford to pay my employer premium to get health insurance.
The governor wants to eliminate the Medicaid benefits for nearly 300,000 Arizonans to help balance the state's budget. The cuts will affect primarily adults without children, but may also include parents like April.
We believe, as the governor believes, that this is the only alternative left on the table if the hospital industry does not step forward and provide a viable solution.
The impact of this will be huge.
As CEO of the Arizona Association of Community Health Centers, John McDonald works with clinics that serve Medicaid patients. He says taking away their health care coverage will result in more people getting sick, proving even costlier to the state in the long run.
Just because we do away from benefits doesn't mean that people still don't need health care and they're not going to get sick, because they are. They're just going to seek another way, and it's almost like transferring the cost from one area to another.
Despite that concern, a Senate committee approved the governor's request, potentially leaving people like April without health insurance.
For them to say, oh, they don't deserve health insurance because we have to make difficult decisions, makes me want them to cut their health insurance.
Now, if the federal government does grant Arizona's waiver request, then the 280,000 Arizonans would lose their Medicaid benefits on October 1st. Live at the state capitol, I'm Tim Betcher, ABC 15 News.
And now